Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam.
My name is Muhammad Irfan. I'm working in planning department. I'm one of the existing customer of the flip. You know, before I buy, I also have so many doubts कि invest करना ठीक रहता. You know, मैं सऊदी में ही रह के यहाँ से plot लिया. I just get in touch with them through Instagram. आबिद भाई के रील्स कंटिन्यूसली वॉच कर रहा था. उसके बाद यहीं से रह के आई जस्ट बॉट अ लैंड इन NS होम. सो आई कैन से आई एम प्राउड ओनर.
Thank you, Irfan.
And for NS2, I suggested to my brother-in-law, he stays in Dubai, because the development NS1, like before I buy, the development was not that. So once I bought the NS1, NS2 का extension हुआ था, मेरे brother-in-law को मैं suggest किया कि just go ahead and buy. He was also like kind of confusing, but मैं उनको बोला कि भाई कर लीजिए आप, बहुत अच्छा रहता. उन्होंने भी दुबई में without even going to the venture, invest किए and he bought the land, and after 1 year he went to the venture and he was really surprised with the development, what we have seen over there. Even last July I was there and I did my registration, Alhamdulillah. So there were 3 plots I have bought in NS1 and NS2, and I'm also the proud owner of Gulmohar Villas also. So Alhamdulillah, I'm
Irfan,
associated with the flip.
Did we met?
Yeah. I met you, in July.
Okay, mashallah.
Yes, sir. So that's all for me. The people who are still reluctant to invest, like thinking about what flip can do or what is flip, just, trust them. They are very trustable, transparent, easygoing people. So,
Thank you.
just
Thank you.
keep
Irfan,
your
thank
trust
you.
in them. Inshallah, you will be happy and your kids will be happy, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Thank you.
Inshallah. Jazakallah khair, Irfan. Thanks for the support. And आपको बोलता हूँ मैं एक चीज़ कि आप जब लिए थे, it was a DTCP zone. Now it's a FCDA and HMDA zone. Okay, so congratulations, you have done a great investment. Okay, NS Homes 1 actually is on Sri Salam Highway on Mir Khan Pet, like around Mir Khan Pet, Nazdik Singaram. And NS Homes stand for that. Nazdik Singaram is a village. So let me say you about that. We started with that. Fahim Bhai had put almost 500 plus reels, or maybe 1,000 reels on awareness of that zone, Sri Salam Highway. And now we can proudly say it has come under HMDA. So it's a very high potential area. Also we have Sukoon Villas on the same road, just as I mentioned, okay, a kilometer from ORR, okay. It's a big ticket size game and we are launching at a price of 80,000 per square yard, but only 48 villas in Sukoon. And it's a build, like we are building a community, we are building a mosque as well, okay. And it's only 48 villa plots, sizes are 300 to 500 square yards. So whoever is loving a lovely community can book a plot